Activity 1.8, take about 2 gram of silver chloride. एक चाइना डिश में 2 ग्राम ऑफ सिल्वर क्लोराइड ले लेंगे and place this china dish in sunlight for some time. Observe the color of silver chloride after some time. You will see that white color of silver chloride turns gray in sunlight. मतलब initially जो silver chloride का color है वो क्या है white and then it turns to gray. Why? Because ये जो silver chloride है ये decompose हो जाएगा silver metal और chlorine gas में, तो ये silver metal का color आ जाएगा that is gray. This is the balanced equation. 2 moles of silver chloride it decomposes to give silver metal and chlorine gas. तो यहाँ पे जो एनर्जी मिल रही है इस डिकम्पोजिशन के लिए ये मिल रही है सनलाइट से. सनलाइट इज प्रोवाइडिंग द रिक्वायर्ड अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी. सिल्वर ब्रोमाइड ऑल्सो बिहेव्स इन द सेम वे. यहाँ पर भी सिल्वर मेटल और ब्रोमीन गैस मिल जाएगा. दिस टाइप ऑफ रिएक्शन इज यूज्ड इन ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट फोटोग्राफी. What form of energy is causing these decomposition reactions? Obviously, this here it is light energy. So, decomposition reactions they require energy either in the form of heat, light, or electricity. For example, the decomposition of water into hydrogen and oxygen required energy in the form of electricity. Decomposition of silver bromide, the energy is obtained in the form of light energy. For breaking down the reactants. Reactions in which energy is absorbed are known as endothermic reactions. दो तरह के reactions, एक होता है exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction में क्या होता है, energy is given out during the reaction. Means energy is on the product side. Suppose A is changing into product plus energy is given out. This type of reactions are known as exothermic reactions. And another type of reaction is endothermic reaction. Endothermic reaction. Endothermic reaction में क्या होता है, if A is changing into product, then it is absorbing energy to change into product. तो यहाँ पे energy जो है reactant side में है. So A absorbs energy and then it changes to product. P represents the product here, A represents the reactant. So these kind of reactions are known as endothermic reactions. Carry out the following activity. Take about 2 gram of barium hydroxide in a test tube. Add 1 gram of ammonium chloride. Add 1 gram of ammonium chloride and mix with the help of a glass rod. Touch the bottom of the test tube with your palm. What do you feel? Is this an exothermic or endothermic reaction? See, the test tube will become cold and this kind of reaction is endothermic reaction. Endothermic reaction. Why endothermic reaction? Because to carry out this reaction, heat is absorbed from the surrounding, because of which the test tube feels cold. This is endothermic reaction. So heat is absorbed from the surrounding, and what is the surrounding? From the atmosphere, from the test tube surface, heat is absorbed, so the test tube feels cold. Next questions. A solution of substance X is used for whitewashing. Name the substance X and write its formula. X क्या हो जाएगा? X हो जाएगा calcium oxide. It is also known as quicklime. और जब इसको वाटर में डिसॉल्व करेंगे CaO plus H2O, it forms calcium hydroxide, which is also known as slaked lime. And this equation is balanced. Write the reaction of substance X in question 1 above with water. तो ये है reaction with water. This is quicklime, this is slaked lime. Second question, why the amount of gas collected in one of the test tubes in activity 1.7 double the amount collected in the other? Name this gas. एक्टिविटी 1.7 में क्या कहते हैं? एक्टिविटी 1.7 में इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस ऑफ वाटर, electrolysis of water was carried out, and this water decomposed to give 2 moles of hydrogen gas and 1 mole of oxygen gas. So here the amount of hydrogen collected was double the amount of oxygen. Why? Because if you consider the formula of water, it is H2O. The ratio of hydrogen to oxygen is 2:1. So when electrolysis is carried out, the amount of hydrogen collected is double the amount of oxygen. Name this gas. Which gas? The gas which is double in volume. So the name of the gas will be hydrogen gas. It is hydrogen gas.